Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. So the I-589 is the asylum application, and I assume you're asking you want to apply and how to do it. Well, first it depends where you are. If you're outside the United States, you're not going to be able to submit the asylum application. Rather, it would be the refugee application, and then there's all kinds of waiting. Now, if you happen to make it inside the United States, then you have 1 year in which to file the asylum application. Now, it's much more complicated than just, filling out a form, than filling out the I-589. Unfortunately, a lot of people think all they have to do is get to the U.S., answer the questions on the 589 and they're in. And it doesn't work like that. The asylum is a discretionary form of relief, which means that the officer who reads the application will decide yes or no. Now, that doesn't mean you can't, ultimately redo everything in front of an immigration judge if you have to, and then ultimately appeal and keep appealing type stuff. But the reality is the application itself must include everything necessary, including exhibits, declarations, affidavits, country reports, all State Department reports, which show why you should be granted asylum. Now, a lot of people come and they're having the number one thing problem with asylum applications is people come and you ask them why are you applying for asylum, and they'll say they can't find a job or the economics are terrible in their home country, and that's not a basis for asylum. And there's all kinds of other reasons they might be able to be petitioned to come here, but not asylum if it's just economically based. Okay, there's 5 different grounds of asylum. The most popular being, social group, political opinion, religious reasons, nationality, and so forth. And that has to be shown. Obviously, when people are running away from their home country, they're not taking all kinds of evidence with them. So a lot of asylum is on hearsay and alternative forms of evidence. But it has to be filled out and submitted within the year with all the evidence. If it's after a year, there's still ways of doing it, but there's another added layer of complexity. Okay.